Chapter 6 Beautiful Birds. Look around the sky. What will you see? You will see the most beautiful animals on the earth. Birds. Birds have feathers and wings which help them to fly. Their colorful feathers and wings make them the beautiful creatures. They also have beaks. Some birds can fly and some cannot. Pigeon, peacock, crow. Birds build nests to lay eggs. A nest is used to hold eggs until they hatch. Birds choose their nestling place with great care. They use a variety of things to make their nests. These include grass, feathers, leaves, twigs, hair, thread, a bit of paper or cloth, wood and stones. They make their nests cozy by lining with soft things. Different birds build different types of nests. Do you know, a bird's body is like a boot's shape. It enables it to float in the air easily. Birds' body parts.
Birds are unique as they have feathers and everything about them is fast.
They breathe faster than any other animal. Their body temperature is higher. Even their heart beats faster. There are some special features which help the birds to fly. Body parts of a bird: eye, beak, chest, claws, legs, tail, feathers, wings. A bird has streamlined body that helps it to cut through the air. A bird has wings. The feathers are attached to the wings. These feathers help them to fly. A bird's bones are hollow and filled with air. This makes them light but strong. The tail of a bird helps in changing the direction during its flight. Types of feathers. Birds have mainly 3 types of feathers: flight feathers, down feathers, body feathers. Some birds have long and flat feathers. They are called flight feathers. They remain attached to the wings and the tail. Some birds have short and soft feathers. They keep the bird's body warm in cold weather. They are called down feathers. Some birds' body is covered with feathers. They are called body feathers. They give shape to the bird's body. Flight feather, down feather, body feather. Do you know, down feathers act like a warm sweater. Types of birds. There are many types of birds. Most of the birds can fly to different extents. Hen flies over very short distances. Pigeon flies over long distances. Eagle flies at great heights. There are some birds which do not fly. They are called flightless birds. They are fast runners or good swimmers. Penguin, ostrich. There are some birds that live in water. They are called aquatic birds. They have special oil glands so that their feathers do not rot. Duck, swan. What do birds eat? Birds use their keen eyesight to find their food. Most birds are insect eaters. Birds like owls and eagles are meat eaters. Birds like pigeons and hummingbirds mostly eat plants. Birds like crows eat meat as well as plants. Do you know, a bird like parrot eats fruits as their food. Types of beaks. Birds do not have teeth to eat food. They have beaks and claws to get food and eat it. There are different types of beaks. Hooked beak. A parrot has a strong and hooked beak. It helps the parrot to crack nuts and hard fruits easily. The hooked beak also helps the parrot to climb. Beak of a parrot. Horny beak. Some birds like pigeon, sparrow, peacock, etc. have short,
hard and horny beaks.
It helps them to crush hard nuts, grains and seeds they eat. Beak of a sparrow. Beak of a pigeon. Beak of a peacock.
Chisel-shaped beak.
A woodpecker has a strong, heavy and chisel-shaped beak. It uses this beak to catch the insects living under the barks of trees. Beak of a woodpecker. Curved beak. Birds like vultures, eagles, hawks, etc. have strong, sharp and curved beaks. It helps them to tear the flesh of small birds, frogs, snakes, etc. Beak of a vulture. Pointed beak. A sunbird has a thin, long and pointed beak. It helps the bird to suck nectar of the flowers. Beak of a sunbird. Flat beak. A duck has a spoon-like flat beak. It helps the bird to easily dig soft mud near a pond to find worms. Beak of a duck. Words power. Streamlined, designating a motion or flow. Hollow, having space inside. Hooked, bent like a hook. Nectar, secretion of a plant. Chapter backup. Birds have feathers and wings which help them to fly. Birds are unique as they have feathers and everything about them is fast. The tail of a bird helps in changing the direction during its flight. Birds have mainly 3 types of feathers. Birds do not have teeth to eat food.